Welcome back to the 2015 BASSCAR Fish Racing Championships here at Little Sugar Creek, Charlotte, North Carolina, home of BASSCAR Fish Racing. Alright, well, let's go fishing. We'll line them up and we will have the 2015 BASSCAR Fish Racing Championship.
Let's meet our contestant. In lane 1, caught on a topwater lure, it's Bogus Barney. In lane 2, caught on a plastic rubber worm, it's Dangerous Don Guppy. And lane 3, it's Insane Sam. And now for the countdown and the drop-in. Unbelievable. Sports fans, this race was over before it started, and this is why they call it the fastest race on our planet. Join us here next time for BASSCAR 2015.